Kurut lode tioneke pone noe nyesida jala ke akorio kole po otomano karamoja ibok to sakanina kwes ikurulu keside nyame tenoi noi mumwa emudunga nepeka emuria idera nyamari chutito naito nikin akorio kolo nyeskwa ne jasili pito sagangat anede japugani nepeka nyune ipone loda itiko kine kurutulo
na oni abuni ajiktoria munyu ape waike polo utu alamana Kedia mulije jipeta araki arikara da midi
awona robong di nyamolo yakana kedio ko toy bolo kedio ko tor bolo ibere inda choy yo
da ngo kidigide da yo ngo ni ka ulo dongo ko te ko ci
arana guru to jek arana arikani nya pir arika tar mumwa adura ngoni agir korna arika abade no muri atawni mumu yara
nombor ye pedang nelu yang kariba kalawuni matika le pakata mara kuji papa kitumai na ngarak na nai na narbo apukana jua ayat na yekin na baburo kini nomor batokana ni berale muna boiche pe ngale kini arak ngale kini akabul na waye ye bana pipilla taw na tun lolo ngona ya tama ngale munita buro kin robo na bo niki ay tede mama akine de mama iko korde mama ngale muni
no kwa naka pugana rada mara ko ye robe pite ali ogong ke ngara ko bangu tunga nakana nagaete ke ye dio ko tole pedori akara e kurutu logo ani ara e kurutu le pedele lojo elala no we ke de wuring da ngulupe
ida pakyo ne do kano ekale ale po kezda ikamuto sarere ngunada ijara kede ikwi ido ka bwangno re kurutu loko pe kwana e yautu da kuria unada e polonoi ibore yenda ichora kintorelo sisre lodo temulo tisan ebe ekotokin bere tunga jala kina nyami kwilu.
Our people like picking these vegetable greens around the bushes and in the gardens, which is really very dangerous. Because I look at these caterpillars, they are really poisonous. According to when you see the grass, the one they eat the grass and they become very white. Just at around only something like 30 minutes, you find something like 2 acres. They are already becoming very white, very.
Ekurutulo nyezda ekora raito no district angoni loko tido kwenyedo Kennedy okuda loda ya iti ya pies ngono ka production nyezda bale be iteki na iberati chapake minasido ko ilota sekurutulo ao misho itina nyezde giritelo sisirilo temulo tisan obada abone be mamune minasa pedor nara ikaramoja mamedo etapita itepenoi.
If you have enough rain, those things tend to die. They get washed off by rain. That's one thing God is doing for us. So we are praying that God has come in handy. They have come at a time when there's heavy rain, which means they will be washed.
You know, Karamoja, it takes long. Like now it has rain. The rain can even intend to disappear for something even around 3-4 months without. But for the areas where rain is raining every time, it will wash these armyworms. But for Karamoja, we need really to be rescued. I propose if the government could also support the communities by providing some other seedlings so that the people can be putting to the gardens when these rains they are still there.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.